Hello everyone, so today we'll be looking at the new OptiMATE 105 or 105 that I ordered for my 2021 BMW R1250 GS Adventure. Now this OptiMATE is basically a dual charger as long as you have the DIN 12 millimeter socket on your motorcycle, which most BMWs, Triumph, even Ducatis have it. You can plug it in and charge your like your cell phone or any other thing that charges with a USB with the help of this. So I'll show you exactly where the DIN is, where this plugs in, and how this works. So this is basically it's a 3300 milliampere fast charger, so it charges fast. It's a double dual USB one too. So let's go ahead and I'll show you where exactly on this motorcycle it is. So this is the box it comes in. It also has discharge protection. So basically what it does is that let's say your battery has the capability to run this when the bike is turned off. It's still going to be running for at least an hour. So you can keep charging your devices for about an hour, even post after this thing is done. So it's a very small, about 2 inches tall device. Here's one USB charger. You can open this and see that, okay, you can plug it in here. The other one is underneath here. You can plug in, and on your 1250 on the side here at the lower end, you might have that 12 millimeter, 12 mm, this thing. So all you need to do is just push it in and it plugs in here. In order for it to work though, you need to start the motorcycle for it to show that it's charging. So all you need to do is, let's say for this, I'll charge my phone here. So you plug in the USB cable here and then plug this on the charge, and I'll leave this hanging for now just for reference. But what I need to do is turn on my motorcycle and then start my motorcycle. So it's charging right now. 20 minutes to full charge. Also the light turns on here blue, which means that this is charging. Once I switch off the bike, the light's gonna start blinking. Let me turn it off. Once I switch off the bike, you see the light is blinking, the blue light keeps blinking. That means that it's about to disconnect and the charging will be, so it should be few seconds when the blue light, I think the blinking light just completely goes away. That means it's not charging anymore and you need to turn on the bike, or so it's a great device if you need one to charge your devices or your cameras or any other thing, even your GPS on the go. So great device, very small, very portable. I'm sure many of you will really enjoy having this. So not to miss out, it's about $30. So the cost is very less in comparison to what it does, and it's fully waterproof. So you can definitely plug this in without worrying that your battery is being drained. And the best thing I like about it is that you use it while riding. So you plug in 2 devices there and then keep using it while riding. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.